Hi everyone!
Hello, my name is Melissa and we have
Dara! Hi!
So we got together today to, you want to explain what we did today?
Wear a sari and how to dress all, you know, Indian kind of look.
I loved it. Like the yellow looks so amazing on me.
I love it on you.
And all the jewelry was awesome. Everything. Even, you see the earrings?
Yes! So
I loved
pretty.
it.
Well, this was actually my first time putting a sari on someone, so beginner level.
We struggled.
Not perfect, but worked. I think you're gonna post the one how we got dressed up with like jewelries and everything. So go ahead and watch it if you're interested. If you like the video,
Thumbs up.
yes.
Step 1. Wear a blouse and a petticoat and make sure you tie the knot really tight to secure the sari. Step 2. Start from the plain end of the sari and tuck it in near the belly button. Continue to swaddle from the left side and complete the round from behind till you reach the point where you first started. Bring the sari again to the front. Take the end of the top border from the other side and bring it to the opposite side. This should be approximately 45 degrees and secure it with a safety pin. Now start pleating roughly about the size of the finger stretched from index finger to the thumb. Now secure this with a safety pin and then tuck it in. This will help the sari to stay intact when you move around. Fix the pleats in a way that each pleat is a 1/4 inch away from each other to give this effect. Now you have two options. You can either let it flow like this and secure it with a safety pin on the left shoulder, or you can pleat it first and then secure it to the blouse. Last but not least, don't forget to put on your jewelry. And especially your Chen Chen Judy.
Video, but we're gonna make it work.
Yes.
This was so much fun. Thank you for, you know, coming over and showing me the whole dress code. I love this. It was a lot of work to put everything together, but everything at the end of the day came out looking amazing.
But guys, can you guess what ethnicity she could be?
Dun, dun, dun. I am Dominican. I am Spanish. I am super Spanish.
Well, the first time I saw you in high school, I thought you were Indian too.
We went to high school together. This was years ago. Years and years. We're getting so old.
Oh my gosh.
But we took classes together, so that's how we know each other.
Yeah.
It's been so long. And I haven't seen you in, like, I don't remember the last time I saw you.
So long, like so many years.
Yeah. So it was nice getting together today to, you know, record for you guys, our future viewers.
Yeah. And
like, we did not plan this. This was just like, okay, let's get together, get this going. And we forgot so many things, but we made it work at the end of the day, so thumbs up to that.
yes. And I love your makeup. So if you want to watch her makeup tutorial, you're gonna post it, right?
Yes, I am.
Yes.
The link will be down below. So,
yes.
bye.